I discovered an absolutely perfect way to do a Latchtool cast on. No issues. The machine hums. And here's how you do it. I'm going to do it over 40 needles because I want to show you how easy it is to do this particular cast on. Okay? The secret to it, to keeping everything consistent and even and fast, is this little tool. This is a stopper plate for a garter bar. What I do is I take my latch tool to the left of the yarn, so I get a little V, and then I just simply put that hook between the first and the second needle and then pick up that loop. This one is automatically secured by the weight, okay, by the clothespin. And then I just come up between the next one. Now, the reason I do this with a looser tension is I don't want to have it pull up tight. What happens is the needles do not move whatsoever, and I can just latch as fast as I can possibly latch and not have to worry about it getting too tight. Oops, I went to the wrong place. There we go. There. As fast as I can humanly do it, I can latch this particular seam, cast on. Now, isn't that easy? Now, if you're just doing a latch tool cast on like this, when you get to the end, just take the loop and slip it on the last hook. Draw the yarn between the first and the second needle and under the end needle and thread your carriage. Now, I want to show you something else about this. You take this off, obviously, and you push your cast on back to the needle bed, and I'm just going to knit across and listen to it. No chugga chugga chugga. It works perfectly. And now I'm going to proceed to knit a few rows. And we'll see what it looks like. See what I mean? It's absolutely perfect. The edge is so even with no tight spots or loose spots. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Tune in for the whole playlist of machine knitting techniques. And please take a moment to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications of upcoming videos. Happy machine knitting!